If you're looking for a bar cart, then check this one out. This was so easy to assemble. It seriously took me about 15 minutes to fully put this all together. Take a look at this beauty. It was so easy to put together. It does have 4 total wheels. It also has brakes to prevent it from falling over. As you could see, you could simply turn on and off the brake. It does have 2, so you could go ahead and place the brake on that. These do come off. As you could see, you could put a lot of things on top, also on the bottom. So it does have 2 tiers. They do come apart. As you could see, you could simply lift it up if you don't want it, or leave it on there. The great thing about this is that you could place alcohol, coffee, use it anywhere in your home. It has very sturdy acrylic on the top and the bottom. This is perfect if you're looking for a simple bar cart or a coffee area to place your coffee items. Overall, I would definitely recommend. The great thing is that it is lightweight. I absolutely love the gold, and you could actually roll it around. Easy to transfer from place to place.